Hello and welcome to IGO. At NLGS we've been organising IGO for the past 2 years, and last year we had a staggering 356 students from 41 countries. IGO is in the Associated Organisation of Milset Europe, which is the umbrella organisation for all the Olympiads in the world. Categories of participation include engineering, computer science, environmental science, energy, social science, robotics, photography, a short movie, creative writing, art, or a lesson on STEM.
Each team must be between 1 to 3 people. If you have trouble travelling, you can also participate online.
Once you come to London, you'll stay at the Queen Mary University accommodation. What is included? Airport pick-up and drop-off, 8-day stay in single rooms with the toilet and bathroom inside, 3 meals, London, Oxford and Cambridge city tours, all the tickets, certificates and medals.
Now, I'm sure you're wondering what the key benefits of attending IGO are. You can enhance your knowledge of STEM, or foster your creativity and problem-solving skills. You can, of course, add this to your CV, and there will be new areas of study for you to explore. And finally, for those observant enough, there will be networking opportunities and scholarships from world-class universities to be had.
Participation certificate, medal award certificate if achieved, 10% discount on 120 universities admissions in 5 English-speaking countries, 20% discounts on A-level schools, 20% discount on language schools, up to 40% discounts on NLGS admission.
Simply go to igolondon.co.uk to find out more. See you in June!